Look, honey, your body never lies to you. Hey, dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You know, pay attention to people's faces at sensitive moments. Why? You know, the one who appears to be straightforward and honest is not exactly what you see. What I mean by that, I realize this. Never trust anybody 100% except yourself. And this is so important. You know, you have to secretly follow the path you have set for yourself. Don't tell anybody. I am the example. You see, many were by my side saying they loved me. Many were by my side said, only you, Amira. A lot of words. But God, the one who said he loved me passionately, I cannot believe it. You know, the exact moment I was selected, you know, I was so happy. I was surprised to be selected in the world painting competition. Watercolor was among the top 10. Yet my work was so special. It was about so many things happened to me in 2024. Was multifaceted. The only work that was original and had no examples and was not imitated. I was so happy, you know. It was a great honor for me. But God, I cannot believe it. You know, I can't forget the moment I saw his face. He was so sad. He was not happy. He was not happy for me. How he was in love with me? He was not happy. He was sad. His face was pale and as white as yogurt. One side of his face was drooping. He was silent. I couldn't believe at all. Exactly that moment when I say your body reveals so many secrets about the situations, path, cases, a person. Your body reveals so many secrets. My whole body cried out. And in that moment, you know, I realized that he was not happy for me. And he was telling me, oh, Amira, I'm in love with you. I cannot live without you. I want to help you. Don't leave me. I won't leave you. Yeah. He just wanted me to stay there. Now, yeah, I'm here. I don't want to be here. I want to be free. Someone who says, who says he loves you, when you do the art you love or the job you love, when he sees your artwork, he should be proud. He should be so happy for you. He should express with all his heart that he is proud. He is proud of you. He should show it, not keep it quiet. So, dear Unique, please open your eyes. Just pay attention to just pay attention to people's faces and sensitive moments. You know what I mean? Because, you know, body never lies, and your body never lies to you. Okay? Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me by watching my videos, listening to my videos. Write a comment for me and tell me, what do you think? What should I do? I know I want to be free so soon from this dark land. You know? Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you. Bye.